Good day, my fellow Nigerians. It is your one and only Olori Ebi, the only Edo man who waka all the way from Benin come Egba to come and collect a chieftain. The Oba Alake of Egba looked me sote. He said, what chieftain can we give to this guy? And they gave me the one and only Obalo Tojueri for one of the whole of Egba Kingdom. My fellow Nigerians, I am here today to discuss about this hula balu going on about this COVID-19 case that is disturbing this our beautiful country, Nigeria. As far as I'm concerned, my fellow Nigerian, this our country, Nigeria, we practice 4 types of government. Yeah, 4. When I say 4, I mean 4. The first kind of government we practice in this country, 1, we practice aristocracy. The second kind of government we practice in this country, my fellow Nigerians, is oligarchy. The second kind of government wey we dey practice for this my country, Naija, plutocracy. And the last but not the least kind of government wey we dey practice for this my country, Naija, na im we dey call kakistocracy, which is the last but not the least. My fellow Nigerians, I'm just here to tell us that we should shine our eyes. Like Charlie Boy will say, our mumu e don do. I believe this COVID-19 has exposed and opened a lot of foul nyash, like the pidgin proverb goes. When breeze blow, foul nyash go waiting, go open. My fellow Nigerians, I got 3 songs I want to sing for this our country, Nigeria. And the first one go like this. Nàìjíríà yìí ti gbogbo wa ni, irọ́ ńlá kò má gbọ́dọ̀ bàjẹ́, ó ti bàjẹ́ tán. Torí kò sí ibòmíràn tí a lè lọ. Sorry, let's say coronavirus dey for America. Let's see which country fit go like coronavirus dey. All the same. Amẹ́ńkọ́ àjò lè dàbí ilé, ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ tán, ẹ jẹ́ ká fọwọ́sowọ́pọ̀ ká fìmọ̀ ṣọ̀kan ká ò dọ́gba gbé kémi gbé, ọwọ́ ro mí gbé kémi gbé, ọwọ́ ro mí. And the second song go like this, which was sung by our brother, my brother in the Lord, Idris Abdulkarim, aka Mr. Lecturer. And it goes like this. Nigeria jaga jaga, everything scatter. Poor man they suffer. Gbosa, gunshot in the head, what you're saying? Nigeria jaga jaga, everything scatter. Poor man they suffer. Gbosa, gunshot in the head, what you're saying? And the third but not the least song goes like this. It was sung again by my brother in the Lord again, called African China. And the song goes like this. Food no dey, brother, hey, water no dey. And our road no good, oh. Money night switch all the NEPA people, we no get lights. Everybody just dey holla, food no dey. Now how we want survive? We be giants of Africa, but to get visa enter Ghana now, tell me something I don't know. Policeman go see red, he go tell you say I say that thing na blue. Rich man go dey holla say modupe. Poor man go dey shout awala me. Making a lead us well. No let this nation to fall inside well. Mr. President, lead us well. If you be governors well. If you be senator I'm well. If you be commissioner I'm well. If you be minister well. If you be councillor I'm well. If you be chairman I'm well. If you be police well. No, they take bribe. The 4 basic things we need for this country, we no get, we no see. Food, no day. Water, no day. Light, no day. Money, no day, no day inside common man pockets. How we want to survive for this coronavirus, for this lockdown where they put us through? They see me we sit down inside our house and we don't get these 4 basic things. How poor man want to take survival? My fellow Nigerians, at these junctions, I need to tell you that it is all man for himself and God for also. I also want to remember that God passed them. Now so, my fellow Nigerians, Konibajen, one love, peace, and also stay safe. I think I can hear my name from the palace. It be like say they like it, don't they call me again. So my fellow Nigerians, at this junction, like I said before, I'm going to sign out. One love. Nagode.